What exactly is going on with this Alex Palou and McLaren court case? Well, if you've not been following, Alex Palou is a four-time IndyCar world champion who is currently locked in a bitter legal dispute with McLaren. 2 years ago, Palou looked set to switch from his current racing outfit in IndyCar Chip Ganassi to go racing for McLaren's IndyCar outfit, which also included an F1 reserve role. But Palou backed out of the deal, and now McLaren is claiming more than $20 million as a result of lost profits from Palou pulling out of the deal. Now Palou has made a number of pretty explosive claims as he and McLaren lock horns in court. The crux of Palou's argument is that he was misled into believing that there was a clear path for him to get a full-time F1 drive with McLaren, but that all changed when Oscar Piastri was brought into the picture. We all remember Oscar's now infamous Alpine tweet, and Palou has insisted that once he saw that tweet, it was the first time he had heard of Oscar being signed to the team. He also made some pretty explosive accusations about Zach's attitude towards bringing Oscar into the team to replace a faltering Daniel Ricciardo, saying, quote, "Zach told me that it was not his decision to hire Oscar. He said it was the decision of team manager Andreas Seidel. Zach told me that Oscar's performance would be evaluated against mine for the 2024 seat." Now, Zach Brown has fiercely denied that he had made any false promises to Palou about an F1 drive. According to reports, Brown claimed in his testimony that Palou's options were more of a backup. McLaren's plan was for Palou to step in as a reserve driver if either Piastri or Lando Norris was ill or injured, and then another potential option was to replace Piastri with Palou if Oscar struggled badly as a rookie in 2023. The case is still rumbling on, so we'll have to wait and see about an outcome, but admittedly it's not a great look for McLaren and Zach Brown after a tense weekend between their two drivers at Singapore. Even though they did clinch the Constructors' title last week, all eyes are on the team's handling of the two current drivers, with tensions building up between Lando and Oscar heading into Austin this weekend.